George Marshall was a man of great vision and determination, who played a pivotal role in the military and political landscape of the 20th century. Born in 1880, he grew up in the aftermath of the American Civil War and was steeped in the traditions of military service. He attended the Virginia Military Institute and went on to serve in the United States Army for over 3 decades, rising through the ranks to become the Chief of Staff of the Army during World War II. At the height of the war, Marshall was responsible for leading the American military machine, working closely with President Roosevelt and the other Allied leaders to develop and implement the strategies that would ultimately defeat the Axis powers. He was known for his exceptional strategic mind, his unwavering commitment to victory, and his ability to bring people together and motivate them to achieve great things. After the war, Marshall was appointed as the Secretary of State under President Harry S. Truman, where he played a central role in the development of the Marshall Plan, a massive effort to rebuild Europe after the devastation of the war. The plan, which was named after him, provided critical support to war-torn countries, helping to stabilize the region and lay the foundations for a more prosperous future. Over the course of his career, George Marshall proved to be a true visionary, someone who could see beyond the immediate challenges of the moment and focus on the bigger picture. His strategic thinking, his ability to bring people together, and his commitment to doing what was right helped to shape the course of history and left a lasting legacy that continues to this day. Whether as a military commander, a diplomat, or a statesman, George Marshall remains an inspiring figure, someone who showed us what it means to be a leader, and a reminder of the power of vision, determination, and service.